Hello everyone, let's try to solve a set based upon logical reasoning. The question is, in an inter-college basketball competition, 6 colleges PQRSTU are competing against each other. Matches are scheduled in 2 stages. Each college plays 3 matches in stage 1 and 2 matches in stage 2. No college plays against the same college more than once in the competition. Then no ties are permitted in any of the matches. The observations after the completion of stage 1 and stage 2 are as given below. So we have 6 colleges that are participating in a tournament. Then we have 2 stages. In stage 1 we'll have 3 matches. In stage 2 we'll have 2 matches. We have been given that there will be no ties and no college would be playing against the same college more than once. So the observations from stage 1 are: 1 college won all 3 matches. Then 2 colleges lost all the matches. S lost to P but won against R and U. So basically we have been given some clues which is telling us the number of matches that each college is winning and also the team against which it is winning a match. So how to put all the information given to us all together? What we'll do is we'll form a table over here. Since we have 2 stages, so we'll form 2 tables for stage 1 and stage 2. We'll take care that in stage 1 every team will play 3 match and in stage 2 every team will play 2 matches. So we'll have team P, Q, R, S, T and U. If I write P, Q, R, S, T, U along the row P, Q, R, S, T, U, and if I draw a tabular structure over here, then how will we put the data into this table? See, we know that P cannot play a match against P, Q cannot play a match against Q, similarly R cannot play a match against R, so I'll put a cross. S will not play against S, T not against T, U not against U. Now when I'm writing this particular space over here, if I fill this particular space over here, this will be read as P against Q. So we'll write the result of match of P against Q. Similarly, P and R, that means this space, it will be read as P against R. So that is how we have to fill the whole table, putting all the results, whether it is a win or a loss. So if we read the clues given to us, this is the table for stage 1. 1 college won all the 3 matches. Now we do not have any information about which is that college, so we'll leave this. Second clue is 2 colleges lost all the matches. Now we do not know anything about which college is losing or winning, so we'll move ahead. S lost to P but won against R and U. So S is losing to P. Where will we put the data? S to P, that means this particular space over here, and since it is losing, so we'll write L over here. But S is winning against R and U. So against R, that means we'll write a win over here, and against U a win over here. Then the next point is T lost to Q. So T lost to Q, that means we'll put a loss over here, but won against R and U. So again against R and U they are winning. Now when I say that S is losing against P, so that means P will be winning against S. So P against S is denoted by this particular space over here. So P against S, it will be a win. Similarly, S against R was a win, so R against S will be a loss, so R against S will be a loss in the table. Then similarly, S won against U, so U against S will be a loss, so U against S will be a loss. Similarly, T lost against Q, so Q will be winning against T, so Q against T will be a win. Then T won against R, so that means R against T will be a loss, so R against T will be a loss. Similarly, T won against U, so that means U against T will be a loss, so U against T, that means here we'll put a loss. Then after that we know that Q lost at least 1 match, and last is U did not play against the top college of stage 1. So initially we were given that there is only 1 college that is winning all the 3 matches, and we know that every college can play only 3 matches in stage 1. So if we look at college U over here, then U already has lost 2 matches, so it cannot be the college that is going to win all the matches. Similarly, T has lost a match, so it cannot be the college which is winning all the 3 matches. Similarly, S is also losing 1 match against P, so S also cannot be the college that is winning all the matches. R is also losing, so it cannot be the college winning all the matches. About Q and P, we were given that Q lost at least 1 match. So if Q is losing at least 1 match, then definitely Q also cannot be the college that is winning all the matches. So we have only one college left, that is P. P will be the college winning all the matches. That means all 3 matches that will be played by P, they'll be won. Then just after that, in the second clue, we were given that 2 colleges lost all the matches. So let us try to find out which can be those colleges. See, P cannot be the college that is going to lose all the matches. Q has won a match against T, so it will also not be the college that is going to lose all the matches. R here, it has lost 2 matches, so R can be the college that can lose all the matches. S cannot be the college that is going to lose all the matches because it has won in 2 games. Then T is not the college that is going to lose all the matches. U has lost 2 matches, so U also can be the college that can lose all the matches. So only R and U are the 2 colleges that can lose all the matches. But we still don't know against which team they are going to lose the matches. So let us try to find out which are the teams that U is going to play against. In the last clue, we were given that U did not play against the top college of stage 1. So which will be the top college of stage 1? The college that is going to win all the matches, that means P. So U will not play a match against P. So wherever we do not have a match between 2 teams, I'll be putting a dot. So U is not playing against P, so I'll put a dot over here. So P will also not be playing a match against U, so I'll put a dot over here also. Now let us try to find out which teams have played all their matches. See, S is the team that has played 3 matches over here. T is also the team that has played 3 matches. So which clearly means that S cannot play a game against Q because it has already played its 3 matches, and S will not be playing against T as well. Similarly, if we look at T, T cannot play against P because T has played its 3 matches already, and T will not be playing against S also. So if T is not playing against P, then P will also not play against T, so we'll put a dot over here, P against T. Now we were given that P was the team that is going to win all 3 matches. So P against P is not a match, P is not playing against TU, so only 2 teams are left against Q and against R, so P will be winning its matches against Q and R. If P is winning against Q, Q will lose against P, so Q will lose against P. If P is winning against R, so R will be losing against P, so R will lose against P. Now after that, we were given that there are 2 teams that are losing all their matches. So as soon as we fill the table, we come to know that R has lost 3 matches now. So if R has played all its 3 matches, R cannot play against Q, so we'll put a dot over here. Then R will not play against U as well, so we'll put a dot over here also. Then if R is not playing against U, U will not be playing against R, so U will not be playing against R over here. And we earlier saw that R and U, these can be the only 2 teams that are going to lose all their matches. So that means U can lose only 1 match now, which will be against Q, so this will be his 3rd match, and U will lose against Q. If U is losing against Q, Q will be winning against U, so Q against U will be a win. Now we can see that Q also has played 3 matches against P, T, U, so Q will not be playing a match against R and S. So this is the table that we needed for stage 1. Now we have some clues regarding stage 2 as well, and we have to make sure that in stage 2 only 2 games are played. So let us try to form a table separately for stage 2 as well. So we have drawn another table for stage 2. P will not be playing against P, Q not against Q, R not against R, S not against S, T not against T, U not against U. Now in stage 2 we have to take care that only 2 matches will be played. So let us read the conditions related to stage 2. The leader of stage 1 lost the next 2 matches. So we have seen that P was the leader in stage 1, and P in stage 1 played against QRS. So now he will be playing against PTU, but only 2 matches will be played. So that means P now will not be playing against QRS, he will be playing against TU. And in stage 2, leader of stage 1 is losing the 2 matches. So he will lose against T and U. If P is losing against T, T will win against P. So T against P will be a win. And if P is losing against U, U against P will be a win. So U against P will be a win. Then after that, of the 2 colleges at the bottom after stage 1, one college won both the matches while the other lost both the matches. So which are the 2 colleges which are at the bottom from stage 1? Those colleges that have lost all their matches, they will be at the bottom. So one of them is college R that lost all its matches, and the other one will be U that has lost all its matches. So we have been given that one of the 2 colleges at the bottom stage after stage 1, one college won both the matches while the other lost both the matches. So we have to focus only upon colleges R and U over here, and one of R and U will win both its matches and one of R and U will lose both its matches. So U already has won a match here. So in stage 2, R will be the college that will be losing both its matches and U will be the one that will be winning all its 2 matches. So in stage 2, U will be playing against P and R. So against R, U will be winning its match. So U against R is a win. R against U will be a loss. So R against U will be a loss. So U has played both its matches in stage 2. So we won't be having a match in these 3 places. So U against Q is not a match. Q against U will also not be a match. U against R is not a match. R against U will also not be a match. U against S is not a match. So S against U will also not be a match. So we'll put a dot here. Then U against T is not a match. So T against U will also not be a match. So we'll put a dot over here also. If you have learned how to read the table, then definitely you will be understanding everything. Then in stage 1, Q was not playing against R and S. So here he will be playing against R and S, and he will not have a match against P and against T. Similarly, R in stage 1 was not playing against Q and U. So against Q and U he will have a match, and other than that he will not be having a match. So here, here and here he will not be having a match. Now we were given that one among R and U won all its matches and one among R and U lost all its matches. So U won all the matches, R will be losing all the matches. So R will lose the match against Q over here. So R against Q is a loss, Q against R will be a win. Then if we look at T, in stage 1 T was playing against Q, R and U. So against Q, R and U, T will not be playing a match in stage 2. At last with S, S played against P, R and U. So against P, R and U, he will not be playing a match in stage 2. Then we had one more clue for stage 2. One more college lost both the matches in stage 2. So let us try to find out which can be that college. See, if we look at P, then information regarding P was given in the very first clue for stage 2. The leader of stage 1 lost the next 2 matches. So if we look at Q, Q has won a match against R, so he will not be losing all the 2 matches. R has lost all 2 matches. Then S, we do not have anything about S. If we look at T, T has won one of its matches, so he will not be the one that is going to lose all the matches. U has already won both its matches, so he will not be the one that is going to lose all its matches. So which can be the team that can lose all its matches? Because one more college lost both the matches in stage 2, so it will be S. So S is going to lose both its matches in stage 2. So we have only one blank space in the whole table in stage 2, Q against S. So if we look at S against Q was a loss, so Q against S will be a win. So that's it with stage 2. I hope we can solve the questions now. First question is, the 2 colleges that defeated the leader of stage 1 are. So defeated the leader of stage 1. So the leader of stage 1 was P, and which are the colleges that are defeating P? In stage 2, P is losing against T and U. So option B will be the correct answer. Then the second question is, the only colleges that won both matches in stage 2 are. So who all are winning both their matches in stage 2? We have Q over here. Then we have U. Sorry, one more blank space is remaining over here. T against S. So let us look for S against T. S against T is a loss, so T against S will be a win. So let us count how many colleges are winning both their matches in stage 2. So one of the colleges is Q over here. Then we have T as another college that is winning both its matches, and college U also. So Q, T, U are the colleges that are winning all their matches in stage 2. So option C will be the correct answer. Let us try to solve the third question now. So these are the tables that we have. Third one is the colleges that won exactly 2 matches in the competition are. So that means you have to count all the wins of a particular team. See, P, if we count its total win in both the stages, it is 3. So it will not be the team. Q won total 4 games in 2 stages. R lost all its matches in the 2 stages. Then S won exactly 2 games in stage 1 and stage 2. So we'll have S. Then if we look at T, then T has won 4 matches in both the stages in total. For U has won only 2 matches combined in both stage 1 and 2. So we have only S and U. Option D will be the correct answer. Last question is the colleges with the most wins in the competition are. So P has won total 3 games, Q has won 4 games, R has won 0, S has won 2, then T has won 4 games in total, U has won just 2. So we have T and Q as the 2 teams that have won most of the matches. So Q and T, option D will be the correct answer. So it's not very tough to solve this set. The ideal time to solve this set must be 10 minutes at max. We simply have to form the tables, and after you form the tables, it is very easy to solve the questions. So I hope you have understood the solution to this set. If there is any doubt, please ask again. Thank you.